How to become a mystery shopper and make extra cash, 7 easy qualities you need. In this video, I want to share with you how to become a mystery shopper. Having a mystery shopper job is one way of making an extra $1,000 a month for yourself and your family while doing something that benefits you, material-wise. There are currently millions of people in America who are working as mystery shoppers. Some of you may, however, be wondering as to who is a mystery shopper, or as some call them, secret shoppers. Have you ever wondered how this job has the word mystery or sometimes the word secret shopper is used? I hope that those questions will be cleared in your mind as we discuss this profession. Who is a mystery shopper? A mystery shopper is someone who poses as a real customer while in reality he or she is assessing things like customer service provided by that organization. The job of mystery shopping is not just confined to shopping in groceries or supermarkets. It can also involve the mystery shopper paying a visit to a bank or even staying in a hotel. As already pointed, the purpose is to assess the services provided by the participating company or organization. The visiting is also not just confined to visiting a physical place, as it can involve posting letters, sending emails, phone calls, etc. How much do mystery shoppers make? This depends on the assignment that you undertake. A mystery shopper gets paid per job or assignment. The more assignments you undertake, the more money you make. On average, mystery shoppers are paid at least $10 per assignment. Each assignment is different, so you may get different amounts for different jobs. How do mystery shoppers do their work? Mystery shoppers are given specific instructions on how they are supposed to do their work. This includes, among other things: 1. Visiting shops when requested by their employer. 2. Purchasing the service or goods using their own money, which is later reimbursed by their employer. 3. Interacting with employees, for example cashiers, shop assistants, salespersons, etc. The focus is on observing their behavior, level of customer service, etc. 4. Taking notes of their observations during their visit. 5. Filling out questionnaires about the visit. 6. Taking pictures if required by their employer. At the end of the day, the mystery shopper is usually required to produce a report of their visit or task. What other opportunities or jobs are there for mystery shoppers apart from visiting shops? Mystery shopping is not just about visiting brick-and-mortar shops. There are other opportunities or jobs available to those who, for one reason or the other, may not want to visit shops in person. 1. Online or telephone shopping. If, for example, you don't have access to a vehicle, you can do your shopping online or by phone. The whole idea of mystery shopping is for companies to test their systems and service. It is therefore possible to find roles where all you do is shop by phone or online. Your role is the same as visiting a brick-and-mortar shop, only that this time you are doing it online or by phone. Just like where you actually visit shops, sometimes you may not be required to buy anything. The company may just want you to assess their customer service. The only drawback with online shopping is that the pay is lower than where you visit in person. This is understandable, as you are doing this in the comfort of your home. Whereas in the other case you are having to travel and also in many cases buy things from the shop. 2. Eating at a restaurant. Sometimes you may be required to visit a restaurant as opposed to visiting a shop. In this case, you may be given some money to spend in a restaurant. The company will provide you with tasks you need to carry out while visiting the restaurant. These may range from evaluating the quality of the food, customer service. It can also include analyzing the time it takes to be served with the ordered meal. If you love eating quality food, then this is an opportunity for you to do that while also getting paid for the trouble. 3. Online surveys. Sometimes as a mystery shopper, you can help in reviewing new and old products that are sent to you to test. You can also just be asked to do an online survey about brands that you might have used or heard about. 4. Monitoring post. Another task that mystery shoppers can do: postal monitoring. In this case, you will be sent some postal items and your job will be to report on the time it took to reach you. You will also report on the condition the items found you. The type of post you receive will vary, but mostly it is in the form of brochures and catalogs. How to become a mystery shopper or a secret shopper? Like any profession, there's some skills and qualifications that are required in order to be recruited. These qualifications on how to become a mystery shopper include: 1. Excellent communication and interpersonal skills. This work involves a lot of communication and writing during the interaction with employees, such as shop assistants, and writing reports. This is, therefore, a very important skill for any aspiring mystery shopper. 2. The ability to work without supervision. Due to the nature of their work, mystery shoppers work on their own. Therefore, any employer would look for candidates that can work on their own with minimal or no supervision. 2. Analytical skills. There is also some analysis of the information they get by observing and interacting with employees at the place they are visiting. This skill is critical in the preparation of their reports. 3. Attention to detail. The shopper must be able to observe all the things that they have been told to observe. Therefore, need to be people with high attention to detail. 4. Time management skills. Some of their visits are time pressured. This, therefore, requires people who are able to do their assignments with tight deadlines. 5. Honest and motivated. Honesty is a must if you are to produce objective reports. You also need to be motivated to carry out tasks that may require a lot of traveling. Tips to becoming a very successful mystery shopper. Besides the standard job requirements and qualifications, there are a few things that can help you to become more than an average worker. A worker that will be in demand by various mystery shopping companies. Therefore, if you are interested in how to become a mystery shopper that is head and shoulders above others, then pay attention to the following. 1. Work on your memory. The nature of the job of a mystery shopper means that they will be relying on their memory when doing their job. You don't the shop assistant seeing you with a notepad and writing in it when you inquire about things. Because of this, you need to make sure that your memory is in top form. As many memory experts have shown, you don't have to be a genius to improve your memory. The brain can be trained to be able to retain most of the things we encounter in life. You, therefore, need to take the time to train it. You can do this by following the advice given, for example, in memory training videos on YouTube and other platforms. You can even buy a book from your local bookshops or even online on sites such as Amazon. This will go a long way in making sure that your reports are covering everything that needs to be reported. 2. Be punctual. No employer wants to engage someone who is not punctual. You, therefore, need to make sure that you meet your deadlines and timetables. This will make your employers start relying on you for important assignments. If for whatever reason you cannot make your appointment, it is important that you inform your supervisor in good time. 3. Take good care of your receipts. As you do your job, you will be getting receipts for the purchases you make as part of your assignment. It is therefore important that you keep these receipts in a safe place, as sometimes your employer may want to see them. Losing receipts may give a wrong impression to your supervisor. They may start seeing you as someone who is not serious about his or her work. That is not an opinion you want them to have of you. 4. Get feedback for your reports. Another way to improve your craft is to seek feedback from your supervisors. Do not assume that everything is fine, as it may not be fine. You therefore need to make sure that you know exactly how your supervisor thinks of your work. If there are any weaknesses, you can then work towards improving your work in the areas they specify to you. No one is perfect, and we all have room for improvement in everything that we do, and mystery shoppers are no exception. Mystery shopping scams. As is usually the case with online things, there are some scammers out there who want to defraud you. You therefore need to keep your eyes open when you receive emails or mail offering you mystery shopper jobs. Here are some red alerts that you need to keep in mind. 1. When a company requires you to pay them first before they engage you. 2. They ask you to transfer funds to an account as part of a mystery shopping assignment. 3. They send you an unsolicited letter telling you that you have been selected to participate in a paid consumer research program. If you have not applied for any role with them, then this could be a fraud or scam. 4. Require you to pay for training as a mystery shopper. If this happens, then investigate it carefully, otherwise this could be a mystery shopper job may not necessarily make you rich or replace your day job, but it will make you extra money. It can also be an opportunity to get things for free as you get reimbursed. As one UK supermarket slogan says, every little helps. You however need to be on the lookout for scammers out there. They may defraud you of your precious resources. I hope you have learned a thing or two on how to become a mystery shopper. Please like this video and subscribe to this channel.